We are setting the direction for how healthcare in Maharashtra will evolve over next decade. It's a privilege to join all of you at Pulse 2026, a platform created for unified learning, upscaling, health innovation, and next-gen medical education. When I look at this gathering, I see a unique group of leaders who will shape the next phase of healthcare and do this not only for Maharashtra but for India and beyond. There is a certain energy in moments like this where the future is not something we wait for but something we build together. It is this shared responsibility that brings us together today. Across the world, healthcare systems are undergoing deep transformations. Rising costs are challenging even the advanced economies. At the same time, technology, especially AI, digital platforms, and robotics, is redefining how care is delivered. Transformation at a fundamental level is no longer optional, it is need of the hour. Quality healthcare has to be made available across our entire population, not just as a moral imperative, but as economic one. This belief shapes the way we are redesigning healthcare delivery in Maharashtra. Our clear objective is to ensure that every citizen of Maharashtra has access to affordable and quality healthcare within a 5 to 8 kilometer radius of their home. This means strengthening primary and secondary care, improving referral linkages, and ensuring that geography is never a barrier to timely treatment. This focus on access forms the foundation of every reform we are driving in the health sector. As India moves forward with purpose through initiatives like Ayushman Bharat and its digital mission, Vikasit Maharashtra will be built on a more inclusive and connected healthcare system. In our state, we have chosen to move ahead of the curve. Through the Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Jan Arogya Yojana, we have expanded access to quality healthcare. At the same time, we are strengthening our medical colleges, expanding super specialty services, and investing in infrastructure across the state. As access expands, our focus naturally shifts to quality, continuity, and outcomes. Our partnership with Vadhvani AI is helping bring artificial intelligence into areas like tuberculosis control, maternal and child health, and primary health care. This is about building a system that is not only reactive but proactive, one that anticipates risk, supports prevention, and improves outcomes. We are also investing in infrastructure that will indigenously produce active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, to meet our demand. From district hospital to tertiary care centers, we are strengthening capacity and, most importantly, quality across Maharashtra. Equally important is our investment in people. While expanding medical education capacity, our focus remains firmly on quality, postgraduate training, and research. Today, Maharashtra supports over 17,000 medical seats across undergraduate, postgraduate, and super specialty courses, making it one of the largest medical education ecosystems in the country. To strengthen postgraduate training, the state has this year issued 1,600 essentiality certificate, which will lead to the creation of more than 1,000 additional PG seats. This aligns closely with the Government of India's goal of adding 75,000 medical seats over the next 5 years, where Maharashtra will play a pivotal role. Alongside expansion, we are strengthening quality through global partnerships, improved research capacity, greater affordability for students, and increased academic autonomy for leading medical institutions. Together, these efforts are shaping not just more doctors, but better doctors prepared for the future of healthcare. This system-wide approach also guides how we are strengthening specialized care. A key priority within this effort is high-quality cancer care, which we are advancing through a three-tier Maha Care model connecting every detection and diagnostics at the district level, comprehensive treatment at regional centers, and advanced tertiary care through centers of excellence. This integrated approach will ensure continuity of care and better outcomes for cancer patients across the state. At the same time, we are addressing the urban-rural healthcare gap. Through telemedicine and platforms like eSanjeevani, quality care is reaching people closer to where they live. But capacity alone is not enough. We must also rethink capability. Strong healthcare systems require strong public health institutions that can guide policy, prevention, and preparedness. In this context, we are proposing to establish an Indian Institute of Public Health in Nagpur with a strong focus on public health leadership, research, epidemiology, and health systems strengthening. This institution will play a critical role in building long-term capacity for evidence-based policy making and resilient public health systems. These efforts also compel us to ask deeper questions about the future of medical education. Are we preparing our students for the future where medicine and technology are deeply connected? Are we building systems that encourage innovation and collaboration? This is where Pulse becomes vital. Pulse is not just a two-day event, it is a platform to bring together policy, practice, and innovation. Over the course of this conclave, we will also witness the exchange of several MOUs and proposed investments spanning medical education, specialized care, workforce development, health technology, and manufacturing. These partnerships reflect growing confidence in Maharashtra as a destination for long-term healthcare investment and collaboration. It is about moving from discussion to direction and from direction to implementation. I am particularly encouraged by the students' innovation challenge because the future of healthcare will not only be built by experience but also by fresh thinking. Another area where this integrated ecosystem creates opportunity is medical wellness tourism. Maharashtra has the potential to emerge as a global destination for integrated healthcare and recovery. As we move towards Vikasit Maharashtra 2047, healthcare will be a critical pillar, not only as a social responsibility, but also as a driver of innovation, investment, and growth. Through Pulse, we aim to promote centers of excellence, strengthen clinical research, encourage industry academia collaboration, and attract global partnerships. But this transformation cannot happen in silos. It requires government, industry, and academia to work together. Over the next 2 days, I encourage all of you to use this platform meaningfully, not just for ideas, but for action, not just for dialogue, but for outcome. The Maharashtra declaration that will emerge from this conclave will help guide our next steps. The government of Maharashtra remains fully committed to strengthening healthcare, advancing medical education, and supporting innovation. Maharashtra will not wait for the future of healthcare. We will build it, and we will build it together. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you.